afternoon. Welcome to the COVID-19 Superhero Technology Summit and Awards brought to you by SME Channels, India's first magazine for IT solutions business. I'm Manisha Nair Thavan, welcoming you to this webinar. When we hear from Kunal Patel of TeamViewer.
Okay, first of all, thank you so much for this opportunity, for allowing me to have this session and coming back to my friends from the fraternity. We started last year in January, and I remember I went to Calcutta for the ISODA, and I was very happy to see ISODA as one of the participating body in this event. And we started this business with open heart and open mind to have more and more partners with us, and we are very happy that since then in last 1.5 years we have got a lot of encouraging support from all of you, and we look forward for a continuing journey with all of you. It was March middle, and in that time, when suddenly there was this lockdown and announced. And I remember one of an ISODA member in Mumbai came to me saying that one of his customer needs around 600 users to be mobilized immediately with work from home solution. And friends, believe me, we could achieve the entire testing, POC, security checks, etc. Also proposals, negotiation and order, and implementation and go live within 7 days. And that is all the beauty of TeamViewer. Again, the partner, I really salute each one of you. It is not that we get together in very regular times on this this subject, but it is unprecedented time, and each one of you have gone out of the way. And I have personally at least seen 15 to 20 of my friends in this call today who have went out of the way to support their customers, and we really like to work with such partners and would be very happy to continue our engagement. Having said that, today is about celebrations. Today is about learnings from each other. Today is about knowing what's new and what you can take to market. And that's where I would like to spend some time on. My presentation today will have two parts. One was our reflection from the past experience in last 4 months, and the future, what we can take to the market together. TeamViewer is on one mission: to connect anything, anywhere, anytime, anyone. We, as Anisha was explaining, we deliver products which are supporting all the major operating systems, all the major devices, and not only connect to computers and mobile, but also things, machines. If you look at TeamViewer today, since we last met, 2.2 billion plus installation devices across the world, 340 million active connections a year. We went through a biggest IPO in Europe last year. The company today is valued at around 6 billion euros. Since 2005, we have been on a single mission to give leading world-class remote connectivity platform. Friends, what is customer looking at? What are they looking at right now? So here is from my experience in last 4 months. They want to enable working from home or working from anywhere or remote working, as whatever we call it. They want to, some of the customers have already gone on the journey of setting up some solutions for that, but supporting them is a very important aspect. So customers want to support their employees and their devices who are working from home. Meeting and video conferencing solutions. Remote support based AR solutions. And this is a very, very interesting area which a lot of our customers are discussing with us, whether it is supporting manufacturing floor by an expert or supporting a supply chain logistics warehouse management. remote control of Internet of Things. So contactless machine management, Internet of Things. Friends, since the journey of this pandemic started and the issues we are facing, we came across a lot of customers whom we have supported. I have few examples today for each one of you to reflect on and understand how TeamViewer can be a solution which you can take to your customers. With ever advancing use cases, now we completely cater to the full space of remote work, including remote access, remote support, remote engagement with machines, or collaboration. Look at this use case. This is India, everyone. We had a customer who wanted to set up a work from home solution for close to 750 users. And we, with our Tensor platform, enable this secure working from home in 2 weeks flat. And now we are in the second wave to scale it up to 2000 users. And please understand, these users are not normal business users, HR or finance. They are engineers who are doing coding, who are doing designing, animation. So very, very secure work from home use case. Supporting working from home. A large conglomerate came to us saying that we have 16 companies with around 100 plus locations in India with 25,000 devices, which includes desktop, laptop, mobile, server. And we have a team of 40 people who are sitting in different locations at their house. How do we bring everything to one platform and support our employees? And friends, with TeamViewer Tensor, they made this available again as short as 2 weeks time, where we went through the entire evaluation, trials, and negotiation to close. And very, very happy to tell you that these are deals which we have done with partners from within the people who are attending this meeting today. And that gives us the confidence that with each one of you, we can create a success story. The solutions are simple, secure, and easy to use. Not only that, some of the very difficult users, like I understand a high-tech manufacturing company or even a public sector enterprise which has a mature IT organization, would be having a lot of IT manpower. But what about an NGO? TeamViewer was selected to do the server management, patch management, and endpoint protection for an NGO out of Bangalore, supporting their various locations in India. So whether it is supporting remote worker on their mobiles or laptops, supporting data centers, servers, or even patch management, TeamViewer has been very successfully implemented and used by a lot of Indian customers. As I was explaining in the beginning, augmented reality has suddenly picked up. I would say the acceptance of augmented reality has been fast forward by at least 2 to 3 years. Customers are now moving away from a normal POC, but they want an experimental POC, which means that they want to do an end-to-end trial. And let me tell you, friends, at least we have 7+ companies in India, large companies, who have used an eyewear based AR glass along with TeamViewer Pilot app. And one of such company has successfully rolled it out. This is the next future, with physical distancing becoming more and more critical. With second, third, fourth wave, I don't know how this pandemic is going to be triggered. Contactless support has been the key. And whether it is a large customer, small customer, government customer, or even education or an NGO, everyone requires a remote working solution. That could be working from home or working from anywhere or remote support. But that is not all. Today, I want to introduce to each one of you our new portfolio, which I want all of you to be equally partner with, TeamViewer IoT. TeamViewer Internet of Things is a platform which allows you with the same simplicity, ease of use, and cost effectiveness to control and monitor edge devices. Our play, or as we say, our use cases are pretty simple: remote operations, remote alarming, and remote assistance. Mind well, this is a very mature platform. We introduced it last year. We are now bringing it full-fledged to India. Look at Kelch. Kelch is a German manufacturing company which manufactures machine tool. And my friends who are on the call from Delhi, from Punjab, from Chennai would so much relate that there are so many of these companies in India who do precision manufacturing for machine tools. We are enabling Kelch for doing remote operations on their machine devices to close the loop on the dashboard to control the various parameters of the manufacturing unit. So that is remote operations on IoT. Remote assistance. Agriculture is one of very key areas for us. Smart agriculture is one of the key industry in India, I would say, where there is a lot of things happening. This is SCO, a hatchery or a poultry farm. They're using TeamViewer IoT for basically assisting remote edge devices in the farm, in the hatchery, to control the temperatures and maintain the ideal state for the chicks or the pigs. So these are sample use cases with true customer stories, which each one of you can take back in your businesses. And now we want to make this IoT solution available for each one of you, which means that people who have never thought of going into IoT can also venture and deliver solutions and support their customers. This is, my friends, an additional source of revenue which you can take to your existing customers, whether they are from manufacturing, whether they are from public sector, whether they are from agriculture, or even smart tech solutions. This is remote alarming, solar panels management, and if there is any wear and tear issue, there is an alarm which is generated, and so you can do a proactive maintenance of these panels. Friends, these stories tell us that technology can be a big enabler for each one of us and our solutions. So we need you, friends. I know you all have been my support system for a long, but I still need you to make this a big success for all of us. And in testing times, it is even more critical that we partner together, be together, and support our customers. Why? We will give you an end-to-end remote working, remote support, and collaboration solution. A very transparent and a very simple licensing models, understandable and easy to use. Attractive margins and favorable terms. Free certification program. This is what we launched last month. You can reach out to me or to Kuldeep or any one of our distributor, either Technobind or Ingram Micro, to get yourself or your teams certified on TeamViewer platform. Rebate program and incentive for sales teams. Friends, in these difficult times when everything is not going in the right direction, we need to be tougher. We need to stand with each other and win together. So that is my message. my request and my call to action, friends, let's deepen our partnerships. Let's help our customers and enable new use cases, new innovation, which will then be a new stream of business for all of us. You can go to TeamViewer website, and this is what you can download for free. And that's it where I tell that each one of you should try playing around, experimenting TeamViewer IoT with 2 endpoints, free for life, free forever. You can go download it, connect to an endpoint or a edge device, and start creating beautiful dashboards on the user management console by yourself. Certificates is available. Kuldeep will be available, and I am available. Please reach out to us or Technobind and Ingram to get your team certified free of cost. There are multiple levels of certification: basic, expert, and super expert, and accordingly you can get your teams certified. That's not all. Augmented reality has just started. Recently we announced that we have acquired a company, UBMax, in Germany. UBMax provides AR based solutions for supply chain management, for asset management, for assistance, as well as for remote tracking. And this is just the beginning. So friends, talk to us today to learn more, and together we help our customers to enable them in this pandemic as well as in the future. Thank you.